So why did I just make self-tanner freckles? Because we're gonna do the latte look, and you need freckles for the latte look. Skin prep is super important because we're not gonna be wearing lots of makeup. So I went with my Embryolisse. This is the Radiance, Advanced Radiance, and I went in with this and a little bit of my Indeed bronzing drops, like that. This is just gonna give me a little bit of depth and color underneath. That actually looks really good. Go in with my Merit. This is the color Clay. Just want something really warm for my skin, and this is a really pretty color. You want your eyebrows really, really fluffy. I just picked up this by Lee, and I'll show you the comb. Look at that. Look at what this comb can do. I hope you can see that. I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics palette because it has a really good browns and these golds, and that's the color you want. Going with this really dark one and patting it in my corner here on the bottom. Next, I'm gonna go in with this really light brown, and I'm going to use that color to kind of blend out this darker one. And yes, I put the tape there because I realize I'm gonna make a mistake. Looking good, and then we're gonna lay down this kind of goldish color here. We're just gonna lay it across. I took off the tape, so we're just gonna blend this in. For concealer, you want to pick one that's not too light on your skin, okay? Blend it up. Too cool, you need this one. My dogs. Go under the eye with my pencil here. Now the lips in brown. Go with a pink waterline. Really want to bronze up. And the final look.